Hello and welcome to the AI Free Forever YouTube channel. In this video, we will be showing you how to restore old photos with our free tool, the AI Photo Restorer. With this tool, you will be able to restore your old photo in 30 seconds. No Photoshop, no sign up, no login, no payment. Completely free. But before we even get into it, take a look at this photo. Faded, scratched, yellowed. The kind of photo you find at the bottom of a drawer and feel a little sad about. Now look at this one. Sharp, clean, the color's balanced, the face is clear. Same photo. 30 seconds apart. Here's another one. A blurry wedding group photo where you can barely make out who is who. And here it is after. Face is recognizable, sharp enough to print and put in a frame. One more. A childhood picture folded down the middle, stained in the corner, cracking along the fold line. And the after. Fold gone, stain reduced, the crack smoothed out. I have restored hundreds of old family photos this way, and I have not spent a single dollar doing it. No sign up, no login, no Photoshop, no payment. All of this on AIFreeForever.com. So, let me show you exactly how I did it. With this tool, you can restore your wedding photos, your childhood photos, your grandparents' portraits, photos that have been sitting in a shoebox for 40 years, photos your phone took and somehow ruined. Any old or damaged photo restored in 30 seconds. Now let us get into it. Go to AIFreeForever.com. On the home page, scroll down to the section that says Restore Old Photos Online Free and click the button that says Try Now. That opens the restoration tool. You will see one upload box and 4 options underneath it. Click Upload, choose your photo from your computer or phone, select Old Photo Repair, and hit the Restore button. That is the entire process. 3 clicks and a short wait. About 20 to 30 seconds later, the restored version loads in the bottom of the screen. The scratches are gone. The yellow tint is gone. Faded faces are sharp again. There's a download button right under the result. Let me walk you through it on the first photo I showed you at the start. The portrait from around 1960. Bent corners, white scratches running across the face, heavy yellow tint. The whole thing looks tired. I click Upload, select the photo, choose Old Photo Repair, hit Restore. 30 seconds later, the scratches are gone, the color is balanced, the eyes are sharp. Now the second one, the blurry wedding group photo. This one is harder because the blur is across the whole image and the faces are soft. Same 3 clicks. Upload, Old Photo Repair, Restore. 30 seconds. The faces come back. Not studio quality, but recognizable enough to print and put on a wall. For a photo that was basically unusable, that is the difference between throwing it away and keeping it forever. And for the third childhood one, I practically showed you the difference. The first version was damaged, and it had scratches, yellow tones, and the colors were not correct. In the final version, I fixed everything properly. The tool accepts JPEG, PNG, and HEIC photos straight from your phone, so you can take a picture of an old printed photo and run it through the tool just like that. There is no daily limit, so if you have an entire shoebox of family photos, you can run all of them through in one sitting. There is no watermark on the download. The image saves in high resolution, and you never have to create an account or hand over an email address. If your photo is also black and white and you want to add color to it, the same website has a separate free tool for that. It is called Turn Black and White Photo to Color, and you will find it on the home page right under the restoration section. The workflow is simple. Run your photo through the restoration tool first to clean up the damage. Download it. Then upload that cleaned version into the colorize tool. 2 minutes of total work and a photo that was about to be thrown away is fully restored, in color, ready to print and frame. That is the whole method. If this saved a photo for you, the same website has over 1,000 other free tools. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.